This is pregame. This was just to cover my ass at work. But it was more than that. Hear all the birds chirping around his house? Because they're outside. You put a bird in a cage to protect him from people like this.
Was that one of the blue ones?
Yes.
Okay. I think I'm going to name him. I already got his name. Have you ever, it's Nightmare, but have you ever heard like a horse, a mare?
Yeah.
Nightmare, my name.
Panther.
Let me know when you get Athena.
Athena. Nightmare. Athena. Athens. Greece. 1992. He was born on September 16th or 17th. I can't always ever remember that. 1972. He's 50 soon. He was disabled. He looks really, really good and better. Oh, and that's where I may have fucked up. But the reason I fucked up was a fucking another email from my brother. And if you know the big picture, you know I got some weird texts, sent some weird texts from my brother 2 months ago. 2 months ago. And went through a world of shit in the last 2 months. But my hard part for me is now fucking over. I get to chill out, relax, and just fucking explain this shit. Using a fucking couple books. Comic books, almost. I'll fucking use The Matrix. I'll use Star Wars. I'll use anything I can. So if I call you Miss Marvel, or if I call you the Hulk, Iron Man, Daredevil, Guardian of the Galaxy, I forget his name. It's a good movie. I've only watched it. I didn't read comic books back then. If you are a Yellow Jacket, a Hank Pym, a Beast Man, an Ant-Man, I need to join you up. Hellcats, Head Maidens, whatever the fuck you are. You can be a Ghost Rider. I already got 2 Ghost Riders on board. I didn't even know the one was on board. Well, I kind of thought he was always kind of on board, but I never fucking only talked to him once. This isn't a game, people. This is the big picture. I'm just trying to fucking use story things to fucking connect the big picture to people. This is not fucking about a concert. This is not about waking up. This is about waking everyone else up.